In this video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp account to business account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to download WhatsApp Business on your device. After that, go ahead and click on agree and continue once you open the app and use the phone number that you've used on your WhatsApp account. And here, go ahead and click on the continue button and allow all the necessary app permissions that you want to allow for your device. Then the app will redirect you to a new page where you'll need to enter a few information for your WhatsApp business account. And here you'll need to select the category that your business is into. You can use the search bar or just scroll down from the suggested section and click on the category where your business belongs. Now go ahead and click on the next button to be able to proceed with the next step. You can also change the name of your business profile depending on your preference. Now the app will require you to select a backup frequency. It can be daily, weekly, monthly, or never depending on your preference, and select the account where you want to back up your WhatsApp conversations to. After that, go ahead and click on the done button. You can explore your business tools or just go ahead and click on not now if you don't want to. So on your business tools, you can manage your address, hours, and websites for your business. You can also show products and services under the catalog section, advertise or create ads that lead to WhatsApp, connect your Facebook and Instagram account to your WhatsApp business profile, create a greeting message or away message, along with quick replies if you're not yet online and some customers are trying to reach you out on WhatsApp. And that's how you can simply change your WhatsApp account to a business account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.